Let us speak English with me.
Welcome to our new lesson, dear students. Today we are going to study a new lesson. A new lesson that is based on the passiveization of past tense. Till now we have completed, dear students. What we have completed our present passiveization, and now we'll start the past. Dear students, you can write to me, and for that note my address bukharihamid786 @gmail.com. You can directly write to on my Facebook wall, or you can send me an email. So we'll start here the past tense. Because of like our present tense, it was a passiveization of past tense. Passiveization of past tense. It's passiveization of past tense, that is passive, active, passive. It's active and it's passive. Active and passive. Hereby I will draw here the line to divide this into parts. Like present tense, we have the passiveization for past indefinite, and the passiveization for past continuous, and the passiveization for past perfect. And there is no passiveization for past perfect continuous. So we'll start from the past indefinite. Past indefinite active. So see first the rule for this. There is subject for the simple ones, and then there is the second form of the verb. Second form of verb, and then there is object. Dear students, the subject and the second form of verb, and then there is object. And now we have passivized it, it's object. Now object will be followed by was and were, and then third form, then by, and then subject. So dear students, was is used for the singular, and were is used for the plural ones. And then it will be followed by the third form of verb, and then by and subject. So if we take the example, our verb and our subject is they, and right is the verb form. Right is our form of verb. So we have to use the second form. So they. What is the second form of right? They. The second form of right is wrote. So we can say they wrote a letter. They wrote a letter. So dear students, a letter. This letter is the object here because we work on this letter. We pass our action on this. So they is the subject. So first we'll bring here, we can say a letter. A letter. So what according to the formula is there, was and were. And a letter is a singular one, we can use was for this. So a letter was. Then what according to the formula, we use third form of the verb. So what is the third form of the right? It's right, and then it's wrote, and it's written. So the third form of this is a letter was written. Then it's by, and then, dear students, a letter was written by, yes, them. Very good. A letter was written by them. Now the negative one. So like everything subject, then here you have to see, as for the active and for tenses are concerned, we know that will and did not, did and not, and it's first form of verb, and then it's object. So you have to remember, dear students, whenever we use did here, we always use first form of the verb, and then it's followed by the object. Now we have to passivize this. So it's like this, it's object, then it's the same there, was, were, only the action of not here, not did, not only. So not, then third form, then it's by, and then it's subject. So we'll see now the example. If our subject is boys, so boys is our subject. boys. So what according to formula of the tenses is boys, then did not, boys did not, yes, did not, yes. You can say play, you can say eat, you can say drink, you can say take. Boys did not take tea. Yes, dear student, boys did not take tea. So tea will be at the first place here. So we can say tea was not, according to formula, because it's a singular one, tea was not taken by the boys. Or you can simply say by boys. So this was the negative one. So dear students, what's now there? For the interrogative one. It's a question there. We'll take out this did, helping verb there. So it's did, then it's subject, then it's first form of verb, and then it's object. So dear students, now we have seen, we will take out which one, this is was and where. These will be taken out, so was and were. Yes, dear students, then is the subject there because it's object always. So was, were, object, and then it's third form of the verb, and then it's by, and then object. So dear students, if now, for example, our subject was first they and then boys, now our subject is she. So we can say did. So what is our subject? Subject is she. Did she? Yes, did she play a game? So dear students, what is our, now the next, the verb form is play, and our target is their game. So at the first place we'll bring here, because it's a interrogative question one, so we can say was a game, then play. What is the third form of the play? It's always played. So was a game played by her. So dear students, it's very easy to understand. So see, was a game played by her. So here we can see now the last one for this, that is interrogative negative one. So dear students, we'll see first the formula there is did, then it's subject, then not, then first form, and then it's object, dear students. So we'll see now the formula here is was, were, very good, then it's object, then not, then third form, and then by, and then object, this subject. So dear students, if now our verb form, and if now our subject is two boys, so we can say did first, then what is our subject? That means two boys, did two boys. Now the first form, and then not, did two boys, or didn't two boys, or did two boys not, or did not two boys, or didn't two boys, if you contract that, not eat food. So dear students, it is followed by the punctuation mark here. So we can say here, it is was food, very good, was food not, then it's not, according to the formula, was food not, then eaten by two boys. So dear students, this way we completed our passivization for the past tense of past indefinite. In the next lecture, we will see the passivization for past continuous. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, Walaikum Salam.